Hello, I'm Amir, an electrical engineer at Cal Poly, and today I'm going to talk about how I made my engineering portfolio website. Let's get into it.
Let's start by going through my stack. I primarily used SvelteKit to make page slices in this project. Using the Prismic Page Builder, I was able to make modular and dynamic pages, making things like blog posts or project pages easier to design in the future without having to dig into the code. Next, I used Tailwind for formatting and simple text animations, and GSAP for more complex animations. Finally, Three.js brought together the homepage, Resend empowered the contact block, and Vercel is used to host the entire website. Of course, select HTML, TypeScript, and CSS is used to build server scripts, routes, styles, and more. Next, I want to go over two of the hardest things for me to implement. This is a cool 3D graphic which brings together the homepage. I built this with Three.js using an HDR texture and a few nested classes. First off, in our scene class here, we call the shapes class, which houses the complete object. Shapes holds the basic Three.js parameters and scene data, as well as the initialization for each of the different shape objects as a geometry class. Finally, our geometry class handles each shape, handling random color switching, rotation, bounce, and other things on click. Overall, this creates an interactive centerpiece for the user on the homepage, and is pretty cool in my opinion. This is the contact page, displaying the standard contact links with Tailwind animations, also found on the footer of the page, as well as the contact block, built with Resend. Something I'd never done before this project was use a subdomain to send emails. If you fill in all the required information, as you would expect, an email appears in my inbox, sent from contact@amirverd.com. Pretty cool, I think.
Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it if you made it all the way to the end. And I'll be posting an update in March about my integrated chessboard project, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.